When a drug is administered intravenously, meaning directly into the bloodstream, it enters the systemic circulation immediately. If the drug is given repeatedly or continuously, eventually the rate of the drug administration equals the rate of drug elimination. At this point, the plasma concentration becomes relatively constant. This is called the steady state. The formula for steady state plasma concentration or CSS is dose rate or how much the drug is given per unit time over the clearance or the body's efficiency in eliminating the drug. Option A, the dose does affect the steady state concentration. The higher the dose, the higher the plasma concentration at steady state. It is directly proportional. Dose is part of the dose rate in the CSS formula. So the dose influences the steady state plasma concentration. Option B, the clearance does affect the steady state concentration. Clearance is in the denominator of the CSS formula. If the clearance increases, the CSS decreases. So, the clearance influences the steady state plasma concentration. Option D, dosing interval, does affect the steady state concentration when dosing is intermittent. For example, giving IV bolus doses every few hours. If you change the dosing interval but keep the total daily dose constant, it can affect fluctuations around the CSS, especially for drugs with short half-lives. In continuous infusion, dosing interval is not as much of a factor, but in repeated bolus dosing, it can affect steady state trough and peak concentrations. So, dosing interval influences steady state plasma concentration. Option C, volume of distribution, does not influence steady state plasma concentration directly. Volume of distribution describes how the drug disperses throughout the body, not how quickly it is eliminated. It affects how much the drug is needed to achieve a certain initial plasma concentration. But at steady state, only dose rate and clearance matter. Volume of distribution mainly affects half-life and loading dose. It is not in the steady state concentration formula.